What's the pineapple? Pineapple, pineapple. What's the deal, chat? Yeah, I got some pineapple. I got pineapple tooth now. I need a toothpick. You know that pineapple be getting between your teeth. What's the deal, everybody? How we doing? Oh, my friend is in a buy from 2063. Is that the same guy that keeps getting these MFF payouts? Is your friend that guy? Oh no, that's Daniel. Selling? Okay. Menace to the prop firms. Yes. Sniper entry into poverty. It's funny. We need focus back. I think he roams around here from time to time. Traded in New York session. New York was okay. Had nothing in New York. Had a break-even trade. All right, chat. Let's get into a breakdown here and see what goes on. All right, daily closed bearish. Where did it close bearish? Yeah, I'd expect the top wick here on the daily and continue down to at least fill the wick. We're expecting a daily flip, right? Where can we get the top wick here to come down? Ooh, 30 doesn't really have a bottom wick here. Does a 15? And the hourly closed bullish, but below this area. Because this is an interesting area to reject off of. We just need a bearish close. We're gonna stay under it. All right, so I'm looking for us to respect this area. All right, see if we can continue closing below here. If we can get maybe a 15 or a 30, also closing below this area, we can hold that area, maybe a top wick, break these highs, and then we can look for sells. If we start breaking up here and driving, just driving up, not respecting, right? If we get the hourly closing this way, I will look for sells off of 1825.13. Okay. As soon as we tap this area, with the idea being that the daily and the hourly here need a bottom wick. The 4 hour needs a bottom wick, so I'll look for this top wick and to continue down. And we've held this area many times. We wicked off of here, we respected here, came down, wicked off, came down, respect. I'm expecting the same thing. And we're also expecting the daily flip, right? If this was such a strong resistance, we're expecting a bottom wick on the daily to at least these areas. Unless we start coming down here to 1820 first, because if we start coming down to 1820 and holding that, this is where we're going to look for buys, right? Right here. A little lower. Because the re-break of the lows, if we don't come up there and we break the lows now, I said we're looking for buys at 1819 area. A lot's going to depend on how this 4 hour closes. We still have 45 minutes on this hourly. The issue is how late into this 4 hour are we expecting a flip? Because this 4 hour might close bullish. You might not get a flip on this 4 hour. It might show up on the next one, but irrelevant of when it shows up, we're still expecting a low to be broken here before a drive up. Ooh, we tapped that on the dot, huh? $20 here for the 15, first 15 closure. All right, so we've done this, right? We've respected the area we pointed out earlier, 1823.33. Now, if we can get this next 15 to open straight up with a top wick, right? If we can come up here, we can look for a break back down. What you looking for? Jack? Okay. markets are in here. Let's see what happens. If we close like this on this 4 hour in 45 minutes and 40 minutes, yeah, 45 minutes, we're gonna look for a re-break of the highs of the previous candle, which is the current candle right now. If it breaks the highs, we'll look for sells. Considering the fact that the daily does not have a bottom wick, and we're expecting at some point a bottom wick to be formed. And this is a strong rejection area. It might come up way higher, right? Way steeper, but I'm expecting a flip from here, 1825. Doesn't happen, we'll look for pineapples, and we'll still wait on a daily flip. And at that point, stops wouldn't be too bad. It would be like a 60 or 70 pip stop. Gold has not reversed yet. It's just been on its way down, but look where we are. Remember we spoke about this level at 1800. It's going to be tough. This is where we should start seeing some rejection and a drive up. It just doesn't happen instantaneously, right? It's going to have to break some lows. Like, this has been a strong bearish push. What's this one candle doing over there? Why is the wick so important? Because I think once we break the previous 4 hour high, we'll have enough liquidity grab to come down, or at least have a good advantage point that we can take at least 10, 15, 20. Look at these rejections across the board here. Once we come back in there, we should start seeing similar rejections. Especially if we don't flip here right now, right? At some point, these candles got to flip. Got to create bottom wick. They don't have to, but probability dictates that they will. And if we are rejecting so hard here and we're going to break the high without making a bottom wick, we're going to bank on the fact that the daily, which has yet to make a bottom wick, will still come back and make one. And that's way more than we need. Just to return from this area to the bottom wick is already 34 pips, right? We're going to be, you know, it's going to be house money at that point. Pineapple. Quiet on the Zoom side today, chat. It's very basic. We're in a range here, so. You religious? No, I'm traditional. Pineapples are delicious. How does it beat? By the beach? I'd show you, but this stream starts too late. Maybe summertime. I will say this though. If we do come up here and close bullish above here on the hourly and the 4 hour, I'm gonna look for a bottom wick somewhere into roughly into this area to continue up and finish out the range at 1828, 1830. But we would have to close bullish here on the 4 hour. That would be the 1 hour close, the 4 hour close. Yeah. So your entry would be bottom wick here. We're filling out the range here and then the range here. Ooh, 30 rejecting. 15 made a, no, it did not make a bottom wick. Still no bottom wick, not on the 15, not on the 30. I mean, it can come down, but the fact that the previous candle has no bottom wick brings that probability down quite a bit. How often you get trade setups on Asian session? Maybe like 3 or 4 times a week. Choose. I actually like the buys better than the sells after all those New York rejections. Okay, it just depends on how the candle's set up here. There's a 30 flip. Just don't know if it'll drive. We got 4 minutes left for this 30 close. If it closes bearish, maybe a top wick on the next candle, right? It's the hourly flip here, huh? I really wanted a steeper wick. Told you, if we broke previous highs, I think we'd be in there. Let's see, the 30 closes here pretty soon. 3 minutes. Should do a sell. Oh no, that sell is from yesterday. You've missed nothing. Drop a like, chat, and sub to the channel. I know I always forget on downstream, so I gotta remind you here because I know people forget. Good morning. Good morning, Amy or Amy. So the hourly has flipped. Grab liquidity for the previous hourly and reflip bullish. How gold of you? See if we can close like this, a little bit bearish in 2 minutes. We'll look for a top wick on the next candle to come down. It's a bullish fucking 4 hour that never flipped. Those are bars. Damn, we got bars for days. Because, alright, so the previous 30 had no bottom wick, but this 30 has now formed one. Yeah, top wick. Guess not. No top wick for you. Yeah, this should fill the range here. Going for a buy or sell? Well, depends. Depends how this sets up. Because you have the 4-hour close here in 30 minutes. I wanted a top wick on this candle, the one that just made a bottom wick. I wanted it to start off with a top wick. NFP tomorrow, and it might range. But why can't we play the range? There's an 80 pip range here. Even more, 25 to 15. That's 100 pips here. What happened to leveled up? Went out of business? Nah. Wait, whose website is down now? So confused. Oh. I don't know how you pause trading. I don't know. It's fucking tough. Yeah, gang, the way we're printing here, we have no choice but to wait on a 4-hour close. You guys have some time. You got like 20 minutes. Do not go anywhere. Top 3 books. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we spoke about meditations the other day. So that was a good book. Any Shakespeare is really good. The Wizard of Oz was good. Anything by Alexander Dumas is really good. But I don't read anymore. Unless it looks like candles. It's the only thing I read is these charts. It's key. It's key where the 4-hour closes. Reading Mark Douglas? No. Alex Hermos. Yeah, but he's just, yeah. I seen the new book. Yeah. Tame your spirit in order to control the material realm, Sub-Zero. Shang Tsung. Round 1. Fight. Investor mindset. You know what? Like, I don't know. All these people write these books about where you want to be, but I have a feeling like they don't remember it exactly like it went down. Like, you ever ask somebody what happened, like, earlier this morning or a day or two ago, and here you got somebody writing a story about how their life went down in the past 15 years. Like, yeah, they'll tell you, but are they telling you the story of how it went down, or the story of how they're remembering it, or how their brain remembers of how they became successful, right? Somebody should write a fucking book, not about like your account of how you became successful, like, right? Or like where you're at now, like my mindset right now. Well, you grew into that mindset right now over the last 20 years. Fuck your mindset right now. I need your mindset from 20 years ago. What helped you get the fuck out of your situation? You know what you got to do? Stop writing books about where you are right now. Write a book about where you were. Like the scary side of poverty, right? The fun facts about sleeping in a shopping cart. Right? Just scare the shit out of people that that's not where they want to be. Stop telling them where you are. Like, my lovely evenings under the bridge. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Just, that'll scare the shit out of me. Like, lovely evenings under the bridge? Nah, I gotta go work. Fuck it, under a bridge. Scare the shit out of some people being broke. They put people in a panic, the book then won't sell. Yeah, because everyone wants just, you know, everyone wants to buy a dream and live it in their head. No. Let's be realistic here. Something, like, I got a reel on this. Like, you guys act like you got another chance at this. This is your only fucking chance, right? There's no redo, restart. You can't fucking, you know, add more tokens to restart, to resume play. No. You don't got another chance at this. Start making changes right now. You just need to be scared as hell of not making money while you're young, because it's going to get a lot more difficult as you get older. Oh, I've been reading a lot. Oh, watching about quantum physics and quantum mechanics. Like, yo, I've been real curious about that shit. Very interesting. Trade and save my life. That should be a Lupe song. Trade and save my life. Yep. Who took Farzo's muzzle? Who took Farzo's muzzle off? Which one of y'all did that shit? Bring that shit back to him. Matter of fact, bring a straight jacket too. You looking for bullish or bearish? Both. Depends on how we close here on the 4 hour. It'll be key. I'm drunk and trading. Good idea or no? I say go for it. Up the volume. Time me out. End of last stream for no reason. Just trying to say see you all tomorrow. Might have been a mistake. You might have came across some friendly fire in that case. Like it happens sometimes. Sometimes you get a little friendly fire. Gotta get out the way. Oh, Ahmed, my bad. I saw your DM, but as I was reading, I passed out last night when we were talking. And then in the morning, I saw you finish your thought. I gotta look at it again. I'll answer. Or we could do it on stream later on. Green always here. Green's plugged into YouTube. He's hardwired in. Alright, last 15 of this 4 hour. What you gonna do, Golden? Huh? What you gonna do? 4 hours gonna close with no bottom wick. Daily still has not flipped. Have I seen this before? Yeah, if this is what we're doing off the rib, at some point today, I expect this to come down and flip on the daily. When will that be? Wix, where and how you start? Well, the guy that introduced me to Forex was on here yesterday. Used to work for me, and then he said he found this Forex thing, and then he quit. And I was like, maybe there's something to that. So I started trading. A little after that, I sold the business and I continued trading. How long ago was that? 5 years ago. August of 2018. I was in a few businesses. The one he worked for me in was a moving company. Yeah, I had a few businesses along the way. Had a pharmacy, had a moving company, had a call center, did a lot of things. Wix, are you a freak? Hell yeah, I'm filthy McNasty. You crazy? Rawr. Oh shit. Did you sell everything? Yes. LOL Pharmacy. Yes, that was the best sale. Pharmacy. When you started with how much money? My first account, I loaded it up. I think it was $100 and it was gone within like a few trades. No, I'm sorry. It was my first account. I remember I loaded up $200. 200. And it was gone within a few trades. I'm a street pharmacist. You're a street pharmacist, huh? So you're an apothecary, right? You're an apothecary. You're not a street pharmacist. You're an herbal healer, right? I know, flip the tape. Getting fast, yeah, boy. How to snitch yourself 101. Wait a minute. Wait, who's a street pharmacist again over here? Hold on. Pablo? You know, how am I not surprised that Pablo is the one that's supplying all the street stuff? Come on, Pablo. Need a better name. Do better. That's crazy. Later, Nate. Call center must have had Filipinos working for you? No, just convicted felons. That's it. Only convicted felons. Most annoying noise? Yeah, only when you're driving. I'd be parked and I hear that noise. I'd be like, fuck. Seatbelt on, windows open. Coming up here. 4 hours later. 10,000 years later. Throw the joints away? Hell no, I eat them. You throw them away, that's evidence. Eat them. I'd rather be... Look, let me tell you something. I'd rather be sitting in my own car 30 minutes after I get pulled over, riding home and burping up some sour diesels. Instead of sitting in the back of a fucking paddy wagon with my hands behind my back talking about, damn, I should have ate that weed. Facts, done it a few times. Word, you know that drive, right? You know the drive, right? After the cop pulls away and you're over there. Like, and the weed come out. And you're like, damn. You get the weed burps. And your trading view is another hour. You need to get your trading view onto the OANDA charts. How did you learn this discipline? This is all knowledge guided by experience. It's consistent. It's a result of experience, a result of dedication and consistency and stubbornness. Pablo just keeps self-snitching. It's crazy. Hold on, chat. Alright, so a couple of things can happen here, chat. This 4 hour is going to close bullish. It's going to close with no bottom wick. I don't know if it's going to close with a top wick. We don't know that yet. But it will close with no bottom wick. There are two things that can happen here. If we start coming down first thing we do is start coming down on this candle without making a top wick. I'm going to be looking for a bottom wick, right, roughly to this area. This is where I want the bottom wick. If we can break this low, I will look for buys to eventually flip up, because that will also be the daily flip, I believe. Yep, we'll grab a bottom wick for the daily and we'll look for more buys. But if we close right now and the first thing we do is make a top wick, as soon as we tap most likely 1827 here, 1827.35, I'll look for a sell. Okay, because now we're closing above 1824 flat. If we were closing below it, if we were closing below 1824 here, below 1824, then we can say that we are respecting this area, right? And then we can look for a top wick and then come down. But we're not respecting this area. Right now we're closing above it. So what happens now, we're going to expect to break this, and the next candle you're expecting to tap this area and come back down, because we are expecting a drive up, the ultimate drive to these areas from here. So we will look to come back down to 1819, 1820 before coming back up. And if we're wrong, we will look for the bottom wick on the next candle we'll look to manage risk. Say if it does start coming up, we will look for bottom wicks on the next candle. That's ugly. Right. You look for a bottom wick on the next candle, and if this is your entry, you'll still have plenty of room. Right? You'll still have plenty of room on that bottom wick for yourself to either play out or to manage risk, because you're looking from here to here. That's 1828 to 25. It's roughly 30 pips there too. Looks like you go to London. Yeah, it's looking like February or March of next year right now. February or March of next year, we'll be doing an in-person in London. About 5 months from now. Wow, really coming up here. Last 2 minutes. This is a strong friggin' push. Alright, gang, we got 90 seconds here for the 4-hour close, for the hourly close. How can I get private session with you? You have to be able to afford it. I'm not saying that you can't. I'm saying majority of people can't, so that's why I'm here. You guys can get some value free. Should we get no top wick? If it closes with no top wick, I'm gonna look to execute sells at 27.4 here off the rip as we're driving up. It's also, wow, look at this friggin' 4-hour. What is this? No bottom wick, no top wick. Lock it in, chat. We might get positions real soon here. It's a strong push. I'll come up another maybe 12, 13 pips. You've had 902,000 views in total. What do you mean? Oh yeah, total views for the channel 903,000. Yeah. You know. This channel's about to be at 1 million views. Yeah, I'm looking for sells at 1827.386 here. I don't know where Lloyd is, but I don't know why he's dialing the group. About to get booted. Need a steeper wick, a bit steeper. I want it to come up, tap our yellow line. It might not, but if we are to put ourselves in the most optimal situation, it might come up even higher, but might not get there. We'll see. Is that it? I mean, I don't know why I would reject right here before getting up there. It might, but I'm not in here, chat. How many pips is that? 5, 6, 6. It's only 5, 6 pips. Strong rejection area anywhere within here. Struggling to come up here. Might end up coming back down here. Just didn't quite get there. I mean, so some of you guys could have gotten in here. I mean, you had opportunity, but I wanted a little bit higher. I don't want to settle. Right? Yeah, beautiful. How can I help you? Another 5 close. Yeah, I'm not too worried about missing the drive. I just want my entry, right? Minutes and the 15 close. All right. Let's see. Getting close here. Getting close. Oh, 5 more pips. We're gonna react here. 30, the 15. 15's closing in 90 seconds here, chat. You know what? I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. Looks like right now. Okay, wait, let me move this over here. I'm looking for the hourly and the 30-minute flip here. If we come up, I'll look for pineapples at around 1829 area. Let's see, I want to see 1829 or 1830 area. If the hourly doesn't flip and the next hourly doesn't give us a bottom wick, that's what we'll look for positions. For now, I'm expecting this to come down. We have really good stops. We have 65 pip stops roughly, and we have 100 pip TP. Well, I do. Fairly simple. We're expecting the flip. The flip of the candle is our advantage point. It's 14 pips. Once we get that, so the 15 closed here. This is the top hook on the 30 and the hourly, right? We're still expecting that on the 30 and the hourly. And if we're wrong, we're expecting the next hourly to come down and make a bottom wick. And the previous, if you guys remember, the previous hourly had no top wick. This hourly opened up with a top wick first and no bottom wick still. It's reached our resistance area. So there's many things in our that are working in our favor, right? Now it's up to the markets to do its thing. Like I said, if it does come up, I'll look for pineapples at 1830. I think that's it. That'll be my pineapple area. Everybody on the same page? Hold on, check. Give me a sec. I want to get a drink. 15, 5 bottom wick. Oh, hold on, chat. Kids everywhere. Got an army of my people running in here. I mean, yeah, it looks good. A lot of things in our favor. The only thing is this could be the 15 bottom wick to come up, and that's okay. We understand our risk here, and we have fairly decent stops in relation to how we typically trade. The daily, no bottom wick. It's 4 hour, no bottom wick. The current hour, no bottom wick. 30, no bottom wick. The previous candle, no top wick. Stop should be right here. Sorry, 77 right there. This high, this candle high, not this candle high. That makes more sense. Yep. Five here. Closed, no top wick. Do you think GJ normally follows gold, or they are inverse of each other? Neither. I think they are their own independent currencies. It has two currency pairs that are not here. They're completely separate of these. The only reason sometimes you see an inverse relationship is because when news happen in the world, the yen and gold are both considered safe havens. Yen is a safe haven currency, gold's a safe haven, so it'll more or less be stable if everything else drops, right? The Japanese, they like their economy pretty stable. They keep the yen stable. So when shit goes down in the world, people put their money into the yen or into gold. So that's why you might see an inverse relationship from time to time when like war breaks out, or like uncertainty in the world markets, very, very wild news, a Trump tweet, you know, like a lot of things. So that's what people do. TP, 100 pips. 1816.9. 1817 flat, basically. Bottom of the range. Are we waiting for top wick? I just want the market to come on down, straight down, if we can. Just I'm not waiting on anything else except this. That's all. don't want nothing else here. I don't want nothing else. I don't want no pineapple. I understand that we need to come up and probably grab more liquidity if we're not flipping here right now. But I want nothing else. What would be a situation when you stack positions? Not here. You mean like taking multiple positions on one spot? It's rare. Everything would have to be in our direction. This wouldn't have to be arranged. This would have to be an onion on a massively bearish day, bearish 4-hour bear. So everything in the same direction. Then I can take more or a higher risk entry. That's our song, right? That's our jam. Hands up, hands up. Mark it down, hands up. Quack, 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 quack. A weird sound in the background of that song. Alright, well, the 30 went nowhere. Never flipped, huh? 3 minutes here for the 30. I don't know. We'll see. We probably have to re-break the highs here in order to grab more orders to come down. We just grabbed some orders and went nowhere. So honestly, realistically, we probably have to re-break the highs to continue down. So just be prepared for some more drawdown. It's possible. What's your entry? 1827.1. Pet duck. Funny fact, whenever I entered a trade with you, how many times have you entered a trade with us? Because we only have 16 losses. What about the other 52 times? Missed all of them. That's crazy. You have one job, and you missed all of them? Damn. Chat. As soon as we flip, I will go break even, and I will close 80% of my position. Exactly 80% of the position will be closed as soon as it flips here. Which in my case will be 14 pips. 30's closing in 20 seconds. Be careful here, because the 15 doesn't have, I mean, the 30 doesn't have a bottom wick here. If the first thing we do is come down, you want to go break even really quickly. The first thing we do on this 30 is come down. The first thing we do is come up, it's okay. But if we break the 30 lows here, or the hourly flips, almost. Alright, there's 11 pips here. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here because, hold on, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even. We might fill the wick up. I mean, I could close at 8, but I don't want to. I think we need to come down, grab more liquidity. But I am break even. I have no more risk on the table here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna close half here at 10. The fucker moved up. I don't even get double digits. That sucks. I closed half at 9. I wanted to close half at 10. I didn't close 80%, but I closed half. Fucker closed me at 9. As soon as we flip, I'll close 30 more, and then I'll leave 20% of the trade open. As soon as I hit close, this shit just jumped up. I didn't even get 10 pips. See, chat, we did not beat the allegations today. We did not get 10 pips. 9 pips. It should still come down. We should still flip here on, like, I just don't know if it's gonna happen now or later on the 4 hour, in the next hourly candle or 2. But I still expect the 4 hour to flip, which would be this hourly candle as well, right? But it might not happen on this hourly candle. It might happen on the next hourly candle. I got 9 pips. What the? Can't keep getting away with it. Yeah, we in order for us to drive, I believe we need to re-break the highs. 30's trying to do that right now. Let's see if we survive. take it, but was watching. Yeah, it's really expecting the drive down here. Wasn't expecting a tap and a flip because there's so many things aligned here with the previous hourly not having a top wick, right? There's a lot of things aligned here, but it could be in the next 25 minutes. I'd just rather it not be after it wicks us out and then goes, right? But then again, if we re-break the highs, there's a chance of us, you know, coming up to 1830s. And you don't want to be the asshole that was 10 pips in profit and just let that shit go 60 and draw down. We pretty much tapped our advantage point. We were less than 2 pips away from the flip. Yeah, I don't think we'll survive here. I'm gonna fill the wick up. Stop loss? Jay's over, bro? No, we're break even, but we're still here. We're still in the trade. Asian session makes you, yeah, I mean, sometimes we get, look, 10, 15, 20, 40, sometimes we get 9. Look at this. Fucking 9 pips. Yeah, it's already a win. I mean, this is house money at this point, right? But eventually, like, we keep leaving runners, right? It's got to drive at some point here. Let's see, maybe the Zoom gang can bring in some good luck. Oh shit, there's almost nobody in the Zoom. Where is everybody today? There's Don Juan. Where's Lloyd? Nobody show up. What up, y'all? What are you saying? Hello, kitty? What does that even mean? Secured 5 pips enough for the day. It's not enough for me. Need more pips.
Yo, yo, yo. Good evening.
Wagwan.
Good evening.
What up?
Wagwan 420.
Ah, man, that's hot. Come on, chat. Flex with me. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Oh, this hourly fucking flip, yo. This nun flipping hourly. Hard to get pips in Asian? No, it's like every session is just less volume. You just, if you know what you're doing, like it doesn't change like what you do. If you have a routine for how you trade, it doesn't change. Morning session, Asian session, you're looking for the same thing. The rest is just irrelevant time passing by. It's gonna flip bullish. It's gonna drive up. We need come down a bit lower, grab more liquidity, and then flip bullish. You can do it. When you going back to your home? What do you mean to my home? Oh, the one where they were working on the roof yesterday. We got the permits from the city. They were working on it all day yesterday and all day today. It was pouring rain too, so I don't know how much work they got done, but they were working. So I think next week I'm gonna be streaming from my new place. Did it flip? Yeah, the 5 flip. I was hoping to call it a stream earlier, but looks like this thing's just gonna hang out and wait for us to hit BE right at the end of the stream. A little louder and you would have had to press it. True. Daily oversold. Yeah. Not too sure what that means, but sure. I ignore concepts that I can't utilize. I can't do anything with that. Like the daily's oversold. It's not gonna give me an entry. I feel like we've been in the straight forever. I wish I can oversell these drugs. I hope you guys can oversell everything you're ever selling. My name's Jeff. You trading price action alone, no indicators? Yes, sirree, Bob. It's 30s riding up here. 1 hour still never flipped. Close bullish. We should be able to tap the top of the range here again. And if you are true, or if we are truly bearish and we're going to come down, I believe we still have to tap 27, 28 areas to come down. Yeah, maybe 28 flat. You thinking of a second trade on the next push off? No, this is it for me for the evening. Oh damn, I shouldn't have said that. Viewers are gonna drop real quick. No, but this is it for the evening. I mean, we got the streak going, right? We secured partials, right? We secured some bacon, and that's all you want to do. You always want to make sure you secure the bag and get to a position where it's house money as fast as possible. Like, you guys can go to sleep now. Like, it's it. Like, you can, like, technically, right, you've done your job. Like, there's no more stress here. The only stress is, like, is it gonna run for you and give you a little more excitement in your life, or is it gonna come up and take you out? Price action wise, it has to come up here. But if it doesn't, then great. These wicks down, I believe, are just liquidity grabs on the small time frame here on the 5, even on the 1 minute, just to bring us up. It needs to grab some orders over here to really come up to the top of the range, and then on the higher time frame, it can make a decision whether it's going to continue up or go down. Really early in this 15, right? That could have been the bottom wick to take us up now. If that's what it did in the first few minutes. When you break the highs, no, when you break the highs, you're going up to the next resistance to grab orders. You're also going to close on this hourly in 10 minutes with no bottom wick on the hourly. That means the next hourly should technically come down and grab liquidity there. But if it doesn't, house money, baby. Yeah, no clue what the hell it's waiting for here. This session is torture? Why? We secured pips. You could have closed full at 10 or at 9. Like, then that's it. Just be out. Doesn't have to be torture. Spend an hour here, and that's it. But yesterday we waited 3 hours to get our move, and it was worth it, right? I had a closure at 17 pips, at 10, then at 17. We should be due 1,000 pip runner. Yeah, it's, look at this. How many attempts at runners have we had? How many times have we closed half or 75% or 80%? Somehow didn't get taken out? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm still alive. It doesn't mean anything. We need, if it doesn't take us out here, the next hourly must come down and break the low. Just don't expect this candle to close at 26.30 here, right? I'm expecting a candle to close either at around 25.5 area or at 27.5 area. Another 10 pips up or another 10 pips down. I don't expect it to close here. Last few minutes of the hourly candle here. Yeah, the entry, look, we have a really sharp entry if this was the top wick on the hourly and we were continuing down. Like, we're not coming back there, but it wasn't. 6 minutes on the hourly, like, highly doubt that was it. Less than a pip from stops here. All right, my stops were just hit, chat. So we just hit BE on the runner here. That's it. Let me update the stream record. That was win number 53 on the year. Amount in BE made 1 cent. Yeah, you're not gonna make bank all the time, but we used our advantage point. We expected it to come down further. It didn't, so now it's gonna tap the next resistance. Do you want to sit in drawdown outside market hours? No, you don't. market listens, likes to prove people wrong. Yeah, and that's fine too. Still W. We're still leaving the charts with more money than we came here with. Congrats to everybody that was on here.
GG.
Or to anyone that took that position and secured some profits, or even bigger congrats to anyone that actually got some value out of the session today or understood why we took positions. I'm honestly, I'm dead tired. I'm gonna go smoke a fat Jamaican joint and pass out. Guys, tonight Yanez will be streaming at 3 a.m. I don't remember if it's 3 or 3:30. I gotta figure it out once and for all, so I can recommend it. And 7:30, 8 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. We got a big day tomorrow, right? We got news tomorrow, October 5th. Unemployment claims, chat. Perfect. 8:30. So make sure you're here at 8. You catch the breakdown, and then at 8:30 we should have massive amount of volume. Our first week of quarter 4 has been going pretty well. I think we're 3-0 to start Q4, 4-0, something like that. Overall, I'm sorry, no. I think we're 2-0 on stream, and I'm 5-0 for the month. I got 5 of those for the month. In the morning, we'll see Don Vo on Don's channel right there. Green just dropped the link. And same time, same place. Show up tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. So we'll continue the streak. We'll continue our win streak. Hopefully we don't continue the runner hit BE streak and we get some runners, right? But let's close out our first week of quarter 4 strong. Be here tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. Same time, same place as every single other weekday. All right? Great. Perfect. All right, chat. Zoom, guys, I don't know where everyone else is, where the rest of the Zoom gang is, but I appreciate you coming through. Montasser, Ahmed.
Thank you.
Mods, Green, Namagad,
see
chat,
you,
everybody. Yes, sir.
Have a nice day, bro.
See you guys tomorrow. All right, let me set up yo song, yo jam. Bingo. All right, chat. That's it. Green got it. Just like that. Wow, I feel good. Another Asian session is in the books, gang. See you tomorrow.
كل مكان يا قلبي يا أمريكا.